Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Okay. Now you are speaking, you are talking in phone. Yes. Correct? Not you. Friend students should not speak. I seen you in my cabin. CC camera is there on the top of you. And they are saying, where is the CC camera? It is there. You cannot see that. It is there in every fan. You don't know. You will think that sir will not see. We see from cabin only. While I'm taking breakfast, I've seen what my students are doing. I don't look at what girls are doing. I used to see boys' side. Today I turned the video of girls' side. All of a sudden she is talking. So it's not correct. Okay, anyhow, I'll move to the further. So last class, we already completed. What is the topic? Statistical operations, right? Append, insert, etc. Delete and all. So have you tried out that? Got it? Got it? Got it or not? Got it. So, got it? Good. Boys, got it? Raise the hands. Who got it? Okay. One student, two students, three students, four. Fine. Others, you did not try, na? So, Shanu. Good morning, sir. Today is a very special leap year. After 2020, today February 29, 24. This is a rare day to some people who born on this day. Happy birthday to them. Okay, my dear student. I am also saying happy birthday to them. Anybody is born in this 29 of this. Okay, that's a rare day. Shanu, I also convinced with your answer, my dear student. So here, everybody got it up. That example. Go to the place. So here, go to the place. Here I'm going to say, students, import. Of course, it is very easy. I thought you are going to do it. A is equal to NP dot a range of 5 comma 5 5 comma 5 dot what reshape of 5 comma 5 5 comma 5 print of a. This is my data. So I want to delete this entire values. So I said already a dot delete of np dot yeah np dot a comma a. So a, that's all. No, I'm asking student. What should I write after that? I should write after that. After that, indices I need to write. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you following? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't think that just 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is either rows or columns, whatever it is. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. And you specify the axis. You specify the axis is equal to what? 0 or 1, no problem. So 0 or 1, no problem. You say this one and it is going to be removed. Are you following? This is the one. If you print A again, you are getting, you can remove the same thing by saying axis is equal to 1 also. Axis is equal to 1 also you can say. And to make it permanent once again, students, you just say A is equal to, and the print of A, this is done. Are you following? So if he says completely, if you want to remove del A, that also removed. Print of A, Madhubavalu, name error. Are you following that? So this is how you can go for it. Actually, this is, you can write it. All of them you can write it. All the rows and columns you can say. this one, if you go to it, compulsory you need to write one enhanced, that is a, you can use a comprehension concept, you can use. Comprehension means what? You can use a comprehension kind of value. How do you write it? A is equal to like this. For example, you see, how do you take it? I'm taking for inside of it. For I'm taking, come on, faster. I will take it. I'll take it int of, I can say, last class only I took it that part. List of, last class only I said for, in your class I'm saying once again, for I will take up for of, or I can write a map of int of, I can say, or otherwise I will do like this. I will do like this. Int of I, what is this now? For I in, a dot, what is this now? A. So first of all, it was missing that a dot, I can say size. I can say size, or I can say in this place of what, you know, a dot, what you can write? Shape, I can write it. Shape, I can write it. Better to write what I can write it is size. What is the size will come? 1 minute I will reconstruct the matrix. Reconstruct the matrix. This is a one. Reconstruct your matrix. A dot what? Size. How many? 25. 25. 25 means you require what? Either rows or columns. Either rows or columns. So I will take up a dot what? Shape you take it. A dot shape you take it. I will take, you want to remove the elements based on row or columns. So if I say of 0, what will come? 1 will say, what will come? 5. What is the first 5? Row. What is the next 5? So now I want to take that things. How do I take it? Now I will say, go to the place. Here I am writing, delete off, say here, in this place, I want to prepare. Tell me now. I'll say that. Come on, start with. I'll write that. Come on, fast. Int of course, by default, that is int only. Int of I. What is the next? For I in range of a dot shape of what? 0. 0. 0. Are you following this? For I in range of a dot shape of 0 of this one. Shape. Okay. Shape. So I'll write it. So here, print of what? A. Done. Gone. That's all. ఇంకా ఏం లేదు, మాట్లాడే ఏం లేదు, output is coming. So are you following this? This is a way we just took it like this. You can also say print this now, range of, you can say print of this A. See students, some beautiful coding. Here you can write it, this part, you can write it. In this place, you rotate. You can say this also like this. What I'm doing is, you can write it. List of, I will write it. Map of, int of, what I can write is, I will write it. What do you know? For I in this, I'll write it. Int of I, for I, comma, what is that now? In range of a dot, shape of, what is this now? Of what? 0. Close the bracket of that. close the bracket of this, close the bracket of this range, this one and this part, and the next map, and the next is called one more delete. Delete is already there. So list takes keyword arguments. Okay, that complicated code, I need to adjust it. So already you worked on this. You worked on this area now. Already done. Happy. Finished. This I'm trying to write with map related concept. Map is already done. Map also you can work out. What I'm preparing here, with this I'm trying to prepare the elements of the shape. Okay, if you are waiting, you are eagerly waiting what R is written. Now I'm trying to say range of this data. What are the values coming? So I will take up x is equal to, here I am writing int of what? Y, for loop of this value, close it, print of what? X. What are the values are coming? All these things are coming. Are you following? Same thing. What I'm trying to write is this concept. I am also trying to write like this. What is that? List of, map of, int of, what I will write? List of values. List of values I am trying to write. This I am trying to write. Here I am writing like this. So close. Also I'm writing what? X. I'm getting that. That part I'll pass to what? Delete. A is equal to, reconstruct your matrix. Done. Reconstruct your matrix. Done. And try to follow this entire thing. What is that? A is equal to np dot what? Delete of what? Come on. A comma. I want this data. I want this data. Comma what? Access is equal to 0. Yes. Print of what? A. Beautiful. That is also one more thing. So writing code is more important. Understand? So whichever is your talent, this is your talent, you enjoy. This is your talent, you enjoy. This is your talent, you enjoy. Multiple talents are there. What is your talent? You decide. Are you talented? Now thinking, what is my talent? So lambda function. Lambda function is for what? To perform instant operation. I explained very well. Sit properly. You come here. Come here first. You only moving in the chair, sitting in the chair and moving the legs. Sit here. Fast. Just now I got one message because we are having a very big group of some employees. Union is there. In that I have a big group. They said, please take care. All teachers, all parents, the police department. One person has given the message. Take care about the children dressing style, their hairstyle. If you want, I can show you that. I'm not joking. Just now I read. There's a very big message is there. I did not read that. One or two students I will say that message. To one student I will say that message. To one student I will show. So that message is, okay, after a few minutes I'll show you. So I will need to start my class. Okay, some group is there. There are a lot of groups are there. So coming to this. So, So, sir, I'm very disappointed. Sanu is saying because of I was pay the fees but not getting the subject of Django. Not getting the subject of Django. The faculty was always focused on my dear student, Sanu. Okay. Django, you are not satisfied. The faculty was always focused on, okay, number one, number two, number three, number four. Okay. Most famous people not focusing on subject. Our feature, sir, please start your Django classes, sir. I'll start minimum. Okay. 2000 people join in our class, sir. I was believing like you, a God putting my hope and career in your hands, my dear student. Really, it's uh, something is there in my class. Yeah, no problem, students. Something is entered into my class. Something entered. Something entered. I think it is not a student. Something also learning Python other than students. Yes. So, no problem, students. Yeah. Okay, students. Shanu, I will take that part really today. Really, I heard about it, but today I confirmed it. Right, students? Yeah. Okay. So please give me 1 or 2 days time. Okay, Indu, Tirupati. Okay, ma. Mohan. Yes. Sandeep Kumar. Definitely we'll look forward. Don't get things. Now I'll move to the further. Are you following me? Yes. Now I'll move to the further section now. Now I want to introduce one more. Last, okay, ma, okay. So we'll take care of that. 1 minute. Give me some time. So not more number of days. So 2 to 3 days. Sagar, Srivastava. Please give me some time. We'll go for it. Now I'll move to the further. Now I'm going to enter into the other part of it. What we learned in the last class, once again, statistical operations. So completed up. What are the functions in statistical? A max of, A min of, yes, right. A max of, A min of, mean of, median of, variance of, standard deviation. Then, do you have mode in NumPy module? No. So it was present in statistics. Statistics module. Okay. You know, statistics module is not a predefined, it's not a third party module. It is a, yes. Now I want to enter into the further. So today I want to tell you some more. Before linear algebra, I want to tell you universal functions. I want to tell you universal functions that is just given by the NumPy organization as UFUNC. UFUNC. Spell out. UFUNC stands for universal functions. That means all people uses for some calculations in our programming. See, students, what are the various functions? I prepared a well-versed notes. Well-versed notes, I prepared it. I will just give you, just because you are a student of mine, whatever I will explain, you will understand like anything. You will understand like anything. You may say, sir, this code, what you have written, I did not understand this. And don't worry, I will give you this explanation for you after a few minutes. Okay, no doubt in that. You did not, but I will explain to you. After a few minutes, I'll explain this. Okay, nothing to worry. Today I'm talking about universal functions. Universal functions, which are very important in your machine learning, AI, deep learning. These are the three hot areas in the present world. Okay. So we are entering into this place. See, simple. We already used some functions already in the class. What are the functions I already said? Add function I said. Multiply function I said. Already you know. Subtract function also I said. Subtract function also I said. Next, what function I said, ma? Divide function also I said. Floor underscore divide function also I said. Floor underscore divide function also I said. Divide. So divide. Also I said. Next is called what? Mod I also I said. Next is what? Power of. These functions I already said. These are called arithmetic functions we can call. Along with that, there is a function name called what? Remainder. These are working on what? Normal values they can add, and they can add also what? Scalar value. Scalar means what? Single value. Single quantity is called scalar value. These can apply on what? Group of values also they worked out. We have already seen or not? Yes. Now I'm going to take it. There is one more function is going to come. Remainder also will be there. There's a function called what? Remainder. Spell out. There is one more function also will be there. Div mod. Spell out. That div mod will give you coefficients plus remainders will come. Coefficient array will come. Coefficient array will come. Plus what array will come? Remainder array will come. Because of which function? Div mod. Remainder function will give you what? All remainders will come. Suppose you have set of values, two arrays are there, two ND arrays are there, group of arrays will come. Div mod will give you what? Both coefficients as well as what? Yes. Are you able to follow? Now, coming to the further here, coming to the further now. After that, there is one more things will be coming. What is the next one I'm going to talk about is another type of function. Suppose, for example, this is a very regularly asking question even in written test. 30, 40, or I'll take a simple example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ND array object this is. ND array object. A is equal to, it is an array object. It is an array object. I want to find the sum of all these elements. Sum of all these elements is equal to, I want to get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. How do I get it? There is a function called what? Sum of. Sum of. Even in Python level also I said. Now I want to get it. My output is something like this. Cumulative sum. Do you know cumulative? Partial cumulative sum. What is the partial cumulative sum? 1, 1 plus 2, 3. 1, 1. 1 is there in one place only. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Next, in the other place, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 15. This is called what sum? What sum? CUM. Spell out. CUM, guys, student. CUM, you spell out. Cumulative sum. So they say taken as shortcut. Sum or CUM. This is called cumulative sum. Spell out. Right. This I will apply. This I will apply on scalar elements as well as non-scalar elements also I will apply. Next, I want to go for one more thing. This is the same array. This is the same array. This is what I am going to show you the documentation, which is very simple for you. One more is called what you know. I want to find the product of these elements. Product. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to go for a product. What is the function name? PROD. Spell out. What is the answer is going to come? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. How much is an answer? So up to here 24. 24 into 5, 120. 120. Same array. I want to go for what? Cumulative product. Cumulative product means what? Here like this. Come on, students. Tell me 1, 2, 1 into 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 24, 24, what is the next? 120, 120. This is called what? Function name. Tell me the function name. CUMPROD. CUMPROD. What is that is called? Beautiful. What are the functions are there? These are the functions. These are the functions. Remainder and then div mod. What is the next function? Sum of. Cumulative sum. Product of. Cumulative product of. See, learning subject is dead easy. The way to present the subject with an example, see, it's very important. Next, students, please tell me next. I want to go for, and A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 6. I want to find the LCM. I want to find the LCM. How do I find the LCM? Do you know how to find LCM? LCM, GCD, long ago. Concept is there or not? What is LCM? Full forms of the full forms is very danger. Come on. Do you know how to find out? So I learned in my school like that. I learned like this. What is this now? Like this. I learned in my school like that. So next is called what? So I will just, I don't write it. It is already reached. So what is an answer now? So 6 is an LCM or not? So to find out the LCM of that, we will use what? LCM. Come on, what is that? LCM of, LCM of. Suppose students, I want to go for, it is an ND array, 10 comma, 3 comma, 6 comma, 18 comma, something like 56 comma. I want to find the LCM. There are more number of values are there who want to find the LCM. To find the LCM of group of values, I will use NP dot, of course, NP you know already. NP dot what? LCM of. Now, in LCM object, there is a function called what? Reduce. Already reduce. Beautiful explanation I gave. What is this reduce will do, guys? Yeah. What is the reduce function will supply? First, two values will be supplied already in my class, in Python class of my regular. This is I am showing for other students. Come to the special functions in my class. Special functions, because the other students may feel that difficulty. Special functions in my Python class. Filter, map, reduce. Almost so many examples on filter, so many examples on map. Reduce function today, beautiful part. So reduce function, internal flow. That is my regular Python classes. No person I will explain. No person, this much deep, no person can go. So that I explained the diagrammatic representation also. Diagrammatic representation also. How this flow will be taking place. I already explained this. Now that part today we are learning in the NumPy. Why data science is just your left hand, left finger with this rhythm if you continue? Because Python you are just master, provided if you read my notes. Come on to the point back. Here I am going to say, in this place, tell me, reduce function will supply how many values to LCM? What are the first one? 3. That result will be there in the one place. And the next what did it supply? 6. That LCM with 6. Next what did it supply? 18. Next what did it supply? Because you know already reduce function today is a left hand, left finger for me. If we don't know reduce function, today you can see stars in the day. That's why base knowledge is the foundation should be strong. Foundation to last, if one star is taking everything, you're just a master, equal to IIT student only. What is the difference between IIT student and you? IIT student can creative, you will think immediately. And a normal student like me, like you and everybody will not create. Creative is not there when we were the student time. When Sar is explaining creative thoughts, if you practice it, you will also become equal, no? Correct or not, students? So that you practice, I am saying. That is called practicing the subject. Correct or not? Right. This is called what now? This is called what now? This is the place. Are you following me? Yes. Shivakumar. So can you send your Django documentation, sir? If I show my documentation of Django, it is a 2000 pages will be there. Yes. 2000 pages. 2000 pages. 2000 pages plus. Not normal. It's extraordinary. Right. Now coming to the next. Let me complete my topic. Let me go. Next, A is equal to something like 6. B is equal to something like 9. Now I'm going to take up GCD. Have you heard about GCD? What is GCD? Full form? No. Full form? No. So I want to find the GCD. What is the function name? GCD of NP dot GCD of NP dot GCD of A comma B. What is the GCD? You know, GCD of that. So I'll take you 10 and 4. A is this and then B is this. How GCD will work out? A comma B. Mathematics I'll explain. 10 of what? 4. 4. 2 ja. 8. What is this now? 2. 2. This remainder will become divisor. And this is 4 will come. And what is this now? 2. 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. What is that now? Remainder. This is remainder is coming. This will become what? GCD. Are you following? You did not remember. I'll show the example also. You will not remember everything because you are number one Gajni. So GCD of A comma B, that is a GCD solving, problem solving. Now I will go for it. Now I will go for GCD of what? Group of values I want to go for. Group of value GCD I want. Same thing. Come on, expect it. Come on, expect student. GCD of what? Reduce. Tell me. In single spot you are learning so many functions. Tell me now, what are those? What did you understand today? Remainder of, div mod of, sum of, cumulative sum, cum, sum. Spell out once. Cum, sum. Next word, product, prod of, cumulative product of, LCM of, np dot LCM dot reduce of, np dot GCD, np dot GCD of reduce of. How reduce will work? Already we learned it. Everybody knows. So now I am going to move to the further. So coming to this place, students, now I prepared a well-documented format. So even how a student can understand with practical knowledge, first teacher has to give complete notes. While I am typing my notes, you have seen in my total Python, I typed my notes. And in that, when we type something, it should be practically supposed to applicable. That is called notes. Explaining something, note something, syntax something, program something, output something, student nothing. Also one more style. Let us move to the further. My dear students, today I will go to the place I'm having universal functions concept. Now I'm going to say, I start with the simple first thing onwards. So many things. NumPy discrete difference, NumPy GCD, NumPy LCM, NumPy set operations also I prepared. Set operations already in set. Already in my class set. You know, in my class, 11 o'clock or 9 o'clock or whatever it is. Go to the data types, set data type, predefined functions in set. No teacher will explain. Set, add function, see that clear function, remove function. This is a discard function, pop function. Next, see, is disjoint. Next is superset, is subset. Next is union, with what? Enter difference, set difference, symmetric difference underscore. Next, update, and these many special points. Cricket players, with what? Find the questioning, Venn diagrams, and with what? Bitwise operators. Stop MNC questions. Don't use set operations. Use bitwise operators. Extraordinary. See, this is all done in front of you. All done in front of you. Venn diagram also I was shown to you. Venn diagrams. Done. Today, if I teach data science machine learning, sir, it is easy than Python, I will say. And when you go to upper level, you have to just fly like anything, like that. So that is called a subject presentation. Anyhow, come to the point back. Now I'm going to show you the first part of it. I'm going to stick here. I'll move to this place, NumPy here, universal functions. I start with simple arithmetic. So I'll move to this. Simple. Come on, start with simple. You could use arithmetic operator plus, minus, star, slash directly between NumPy arrays. But this section discuss the extension of same where we have used the functions take any array like object, listed tuples, perform arithmetic operations conditionally. This we already used on what? Single values. At which level? Arithmetic operators. Even I said in our matrix operations, I said, na? So addition operation I am going to take up. I am not going to spend more time on it. Already we did this class. This is called one matrix. This is called another matrix. What I am doing? Adding. I'm not taking much time, students. I hope you are catching me. It's easy class for you. So now I'm going to say in the above example, I'm giving the description also. This is by keeping other batch students in my mind, I prepared it. This example will return what? 10 plus 20 and all these values. I wrote a description also separately, etc. Are you following? So to have a quick moment of execution also, I'll just show you this. I'll just show you this. See students, quick moment of execution also I'll show you. So there I will go for it. Now I'll go for what, So what is my operations here? NumPy, simple arithmetic. So I will go to this place. Examples on simple arithmetic. There I will take up import NumPy as NP, NumPy as NP. In the same place, I'll just carry out this. I'll just carry out because this is very simple for you, nothing. The main intention is add. Already add function we used or not? Add of matrices you done. So you see students, you are getting the result of this. Each element is added or not? 25 plus 40 and 13 plus 23, something like this you got it. Okay now students? You can use what operator also? Plus operator also we can use. I was already used in my matrix operation. Today nothing is new for you because I already gave you my discussion, special discussion. I said this already done. Again, the same thing I am not going to explain. This I want to explain specially today. Right. Let us go to that. Online students, please come to back. This place. Next is what? Subtraction. Subtract function subtracts values from one array with values with another array and resultant. And you know this part I am taking. Also take up this. I am going to use it what? Subtract function I am going to take up. This subtract function. This you see that values. Is it subtracting the element wise or not? What is the function name here? Subtract. What the question is in expecting? When we are doing some analysis part, some sort of operations related to arithmetic you want to do, you have to take like this. Go to place next, multiplication. Already you did this part also I am taking. Element wise multiplication you can do. That also we taught to you. Element wise multiplication. You can also do what? Element wise division also you can take care. Element wise division also you can take care. What is the element wise division? 3 by 10 by 3 divide 10 by use what operator? Slash operator. Slash operator will give you what? Float coefficient. Already you know students. So print I will say, yeah. Print of what? New ARR. New ARR. It is going to give you 3.333. This I was already explained in our arithmetic operators time only. 5 by 20 by 5, 4 point. 4 point means what? 4.0. So coming to the point of it, just to take one student, I will take it. 10 I will take it. Now I am taking 1 0. I am taking, see what is happening. Here what is happening. INF is coming. Are you following? INF. INF, what is this now? 0 by. So students, come to the point back. Are you able to get it? How to eliminate, how to deal with INF? I'll explain. There is a constant value called NP.INF. NP dot what? NaN, N-A-N, NaN is called missing values we can call. I'll speak about, specially I will explain this concept. This is a very, very important. Okay, I'll explain. Right now, don't worry about this. INF. INF is there. So if you want one value, I will remove from here. One value I will remove and try to run it once again. So you are getting what? INF. INF stands for what? 10 by 0. Anything by 0 is called what? Infinity. Even in one moment, I shown you this. Understand, ma? I can update this new array with what? Last one, I can say. How do you go for it? New ARR. Come on, students. -1 is equal to can't divide. Can't divide. Can't divide. So you can just say print of what? Come on. New ARR. New ARR. So yes, that I will go for what? Convert everything into which type? STR type. STR type. I already said to you as type if you remember. If you remember as type. So new A is equal to as type of what? Which one is this? New ARR dot what? As a type of what? As a type of what? str, as a type of str, and print this NA, print this NA, and this NA is coming. Now you say what? NA of what? -1 is equal to what? Can't divide. I'm saying that. Now print of what? NA. Print of NA. Now you are getting what? Can't divide. Are you able to follow? Right. This is a way how I can change this INF. In easiest way, I will tell you in the further. Little bit. Go to what next? Power off. So power off also can be taken off. Power off is nothing but what? Exponentiation will be taken care. Exponentiation will taken care. So power off operator is taken. So this is called power off. 10 to the power of 3,000. 20 to the power of 5. And 60 to the power of what? 33 is giving you what? 0. Why that is going to come here? Because it is not able to express that much bigger value. Because even that bigger value, this is very, very important. You can ask me a beautiful question. What that question is? Sir, you said that Python is an object which can hold unlimited amount of data. That is 100%, but it depends on our main memory capacity also. In my local system, my main memory capacity is in such a way that which is not able to hold what? 60 to the power of 33 value is coming, is not able to store that much big value in my main memory of my local system. If you have big memory space is there, big RAM capacity is there, definitely it is capable of storing. Are you following, my dear students? Yes. So if you want, I can just take up some small values. If you want, you can take up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You take it as something like this. You try to run it. I hope you are getting it. Able to follow, students? So here I'm going to get it. Next, I'm going to introduce np.poweroff. So it is also going to give some negative values in one side. It is also going to give you what? Memory restriction problems on this side. And 40 to the power of 8 is definitely, it is not going to be what? Negative value. It is called what? Positive value only. Suppose if you take something like 2, if you try to run my example, comma, yeah, comma is required. So there you see, it is going to be like this. That you can go for it. Suppose if my main memory size is some 0 to some X, suppose if it is exceeding what value? This entire thing, that extra value will be subtracted from this maximum size. Are you following? That will become what? Negative side value it will become. Okay now. So about that negative value storing, don't worry about it. How to calculate this power, you try to catch it. Next is called what? Important. Remainder. What is the remainder, ma'am? Mod. This already you did. The mod also I'm taking. Students in online, go to this now. Mod of that. Remainders are going to come. This part already we discussed in the class. Today nothing new. The point is I am going to take up what? Remainder. Which is as good as similar to what? You get the same result when you are using what also. But seeing some special function here, same as the same place. You go to that, which is equal to mod function, equal to which function? Mod function. So there I'm trying to print. So you are going to get the same answer here also. Able to follow, guys? Now, up to here it is same. Now I am going to take coefficient and what? Mod. Come on. div mod function return both coefficient and mod. This return value is 2 arrays. First array contains coefficient, second array contains. Come on now. Something more interesting here. See that I gave output also here. Try to come. What is my function name? div mod. Spell out, ma. div mod. How many arrays will come? Two arrays will come. One is coefficients. One more is, suppose this 2 you take it. 10 and then what? 3. 3 3s are 9. What is this now? 1. What is this 3 called? Coefficient. What is this 1 is called? Now next is called what? 20 of what here? 7. What is this now? 7 4 the 16. What is this now? Sorry, is 7 2 the sorry. 7 2 the 14. What is this now? 6. What is this called? 2. What is this called? 6. Like that, each and everything will be calculated. Able to follow, guys? So here you see what is coming? 3 and 1. And next is called what? 2. And then like this. For first one coefficient and the next remainder. Coefficient and remainder. Next coefficient and remainder. Like that you see. Last one you see. You are going to get 60 and 33. 33 once, 33. And what is this now? 27. 27 is the remainder and 1 is the coefficient. Useful one. What is the function name? div mod. div mod. Easy. All data science related functions are easily rememberable. But once you need to exercise on that. Online students, I hope you are catching me. Next, go for what? Absolute value I want to take up. What is that function name? Absolute. Gives absolute operation of each element wise. Absolute value means what? Convert negative elements into positive. Positive as positive only. Come on. NP dot array of absolute of -1 is 1. Absolute of -2 is also 2. And 1 2 3 1 2 3 only. And -4 is 4. Are you following? So let us apply this. Go for this place. And absolute function you go for it. Now I'm going to take this data and are you able to follow? Look at last and final. A is equal to np dot something like array of range of -5 comma 5 -5 comma 5. Are you able to follow? What is the -5 comma 5? -5 -4 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. You know already this type of examples we already discussed. Totally how many elements ma? How many elements? 10. 10. So 10 means I can go for what? Come on. I can go for dot reshape of 2 5 comma 2 or 2 comma 5. 5 comma 2 or 2 comma 5. A comma type of what? A. So you are getting this data. Are you following? Now I'm going to say this function. I'm going to apply this function. What is this function now? Go to this place. Now I'm going to pass it what? A. Now see students, what I got it. All these things. Able to follow? So ND array contains positive values, negative values. If I am totally interested to get what? Completely what? Positive values, absolute values. I'll use which function? Absolute. For my satisfaction, all of you tell me what are the functions you learned in this arithmetic things. Especially, I will write it, add off. For your clarity purpose, I am writing subtract. Come on, next. Multiply. For your revision purpose, I am writing. Next is what? Divide. Divide. Next is what? Mod of. Next is what? Power of. Next is what? Remainder of. Remainder of. Next what? div mod of. div mod of. Next what? Absolute of. These are your things. Okay, students. This is your functions what I discussed it. So new things today you got it is one remainder, div mod, absolute. Rest of them are same. These are NumPy universal arithmetic operations. If I ask what are the NumPy universal arithmetic operations, you have to tell this. Okay, now? Shall I move forward? Yes. Online students, up to here is it clear? Up to here is it clear? Right. Let us move to this. This I will send you as it is, this documentation also. Go to the place students. Next I will go for what? cumulative sums and all those things I want to go for it. Next, I'm going to introduce discrete differences. Discrete differences. Let me open it and read out. See, start. A discrete NumPy discrete difference I am talking. A discrete difference means subtracting two successive elements. Important. Discrete difference is nothing but subtracting two successive elements. Come on. For this is my list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the discrete elements. They will get it. The word discrete elements means discrete difference. This is my given data. Discrete difference would be, what is that? 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. This is my concept. Again, the discrete difference. What is that now? 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. How many will be coming? 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0, 0. Are you following? It is something like finding the lucky number. Your birth date, month, your year, adding all the digits now. Adding all the digits or not? That is something like what? Cumulative sum. Last element is becoming what? Last element will become your lucky number, you will say or not? You don't know that? Okay. If you don't know, that is better. Otherwise, you will depend on lucky. Lucky is nothing but multiple choice questions. Don't go for it. Fill in the blanks, you believe it. Okay, no problem. Come. To find the discrete difference, we use what function? Concept. Concept is simple. Do you know the discrete difference? What is the definition of discrete difference? Obtaining the successive elements difference is called what? Discrete difference. Example you have seen. To find the discrete difference, we use what? DIFF. Spell out. Diff function. Already we have seen set level difference function. And today also, which function? Difference function. Iter function you have seen, iter. And you have seen what? ND iter also. Enumerate you have seen, ND iter enumeration. Something like that. Come on, start with NumPy. This is my elements. See that one parameter also I will pass to this place. Be careful. What is this now? New array. What is this now? 15 minus 10, 5. 25 minus 15, 10. 5 minus 25, minus 20. Already I gave the description also. Are you getting? Description also I am giving. Description also I am going to give. Go to the place. Online students, follow me guys. Now I am going to take up. Say here. I'll write it. See this now. Getting here. What is this now? Import I. So here I'm going to get this. Again, I want to do the discrete difference. This is by default what? One element only discrete difference. I want to do two elements discrete difference. Two elements means what? Final result will be what? 2. 3 elements discrete difference. I'll show you that. Nothing to worry. Are you following me? So in this place, what is the discrete difference is done? I will give you this result also. This documentation also I will give you. This part also I will give. How this result is coming, I am giving. Next step. Go to that. We can perform this operation repeatedly by giving parameter n. Important. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. The discrete difference with n is equal to 2 would be same. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. That is called iteration is over or not? N is equal to 2 means what? Number of times the discrete difference iteration will continue. How many times? One time is over. Next, on the resultant, one more time. What is the one more time? Since n is equal to 2, we will do it once more. Once more. Come on, that. Follow. We'll do once more. With what? A new result. What is my new result, ma'am? 1 minus 1. 0. 0. Next, 1 minus 1. 0. How many times? 2 times. Suppose 3 times. Again 0 minus 0. 0. What is this? N is equal to represents number of iterations of discrete differences. Are you following? By default, what is the n value? 1. That is one time only discrete difference is found. Able to get, my dear students? So compute the discrete difference for the following array twice. Go to that. Now I am going to say this result. Go there. See that how beautiful it is done. Discrete difference n is equal to 2. Here n is what? Number of times. Number of times we perform which difference? Discrete difference. We perform discrete difference. So number of times we perform discrete difference. So I hope you are following me. Come on, students. Here I am writing. See that now. What is that now? Import, not necessary, first of all. So here I got it. Done or not? Are you following? So come on, spell out once. What is the first time? What is the first time doing? Step number 1, what will happen? Tell me. Come on, 5, comma, 10, comma, minus 20. Step number 2, since n is equal to what? 2. What is that now? 10 minus 5, 5. Minus 20 minus 10, minus 30. Okay. Third time I want to do it. 3 times I want to do, for example. N is equal to what? 3. 3. What is that next? Step number 3. Step number 3. How much? Yes. Minus 35. Minus 35. So 3. So I'm going to get minus 35. Are you able to follow? Very, very important. Got it up? So what do you mean by discrete difference? Finding the difference of subtraction of what? Successive element difference. Successive elements difference. Performing number of times is called discrete difference. That n, how many times you want to perform, there is a thing called what? Parameter n. What is the function name here? Diff. What is the function you learned? Diff. So for finding what? Discrete difference. For finding discrete difference. For finding discrete difference, we use which function? DIF. DIF. What is this now? ND array, comma what? N. N. What is the default value of n? 1. If you want, you can change it to 2, 3, any time you can pass it. Okay, students? N. So n represents what? Number of discrete differences. Students in online, are you comfortable? Are you comfortable with this? This is called a discrete difference. Well, students, go next. I'm going to introduce rounding of decimals. I want to say rounding of decimals. Rounding of decimals. You tell me our basic part of it. Round function. Have you heard about round function in my class? Yes. Rounding of first decimal, second decimal. If it is greater than or equal to 5, that will be going for next value. Less than or less than 5, it is not going to change the value in our round function. Percentage of 0.2f, percentage 0.3f. Already in the print statement level we discussed or not. This is in the basic Python level. There, which functions we are getting? A round function. You will see that. Next, one more function called what? Trunk function. What is the function name? 3.1666. If I say trunk, what is the value come? 3. Round off. What is the value come? Round off, if I say this one, it will become what? If I take this as a parameter for rounding, it will become what? 3.2. Are you following me? Next, instead of trunk function, there is one more function is also there. Fix. What is another function? Like remainder and then mod. Remainder and mod, both of them are same. Here instead of trunk function, we can use what also? Fix function. One more function is there. What is that function now? Floor. Floor. Spell out. Floor means what? Down. Floor means down. Seal means what? Top. Remember like that. Floor means nearest to lowest value. Spell out. Seal, SCEIL, seal, nearest highest value. Nearest highest value. Remember, blind rule with a subject. Floor means what? Down. Nearest lowest value. Seal means what? Nearest highest value. 3.1666. Nearest lowest value. 3. Nearest highest value. 4. Nearest lowest integer value. Nearest lowest integer value. Nearest lowest integer. Nearest highest integer. అది పలకడమే రాదు మనకు. పలకండి సార్. స్పెల్ అవుట్. Nearest lowest integer, nearest highest integer. That is seal and what? Floor. Okay, now. So, what are the functions of rounding decimals? Trunk, trunk of, fix of, floor of, round of, seal of, like that. Are you following? Simple. So, TRUNK, trunk, no, TRUNC, truncate. Spell out truncate. Truncate. Trunk means that elephant trunk. Not that one. Truncate. Right. So, Padmavati. Yes, ma. Correct. So, go to this place. See, students. Come on, read out. There are primarily 5 ways of rounding of decimals. Rounding off. OFF of decimals in NumPy. Come on. Trunk off. Fix. Round off. Floor off. Seal off. Round off, no? A round off. A means what? Already you know. A max, A min, like that. In our Python, just what is there? Round off is there. Now here we are using what? A round off. Simple. See how easy. Here TRUNC and fix. Remove the decimals, this function purpose, and return the float number closest to 0. Use a TRUNC and FUNC functions. Truncate the elements of the following array. Example, even you can remove. Example, I can take it. Come on now. NP dot TRUNC. Is it an ND array or not? What is this ARR is printing? What is this ARR is printing? Same answer like this only. Of course, I will execute. I did not give you the result over here. I'll execute it. Shall I go to this place now? So this is an examples on what? Examples on NumPy discrete difference. Discrete difference. Okay. This I am going to take next one. Go to the new notebook. So I will take up, copy this now. NumPy trunk of this value. So what is happening? This one. Come on. Expect it. -3. Truncating the total decimals or not? Yes. You can also use the same function by using what? Fix. Fix. Anyone you can use, I said. np.fix. So np.fix also gives you what? Same. Either you use fix or you use trunk. Don't feel difficulty. Easy now? So these are dead easy. That's why little faster I'm just taking up. It's not faster. It is just speaking more quickly. Examples on, because this type of things we already come across in our round function level. Percentage 0.2f, 0.3f in my Python level. During print time only I explained this. Done. Go to the place, students. One more thing. Here I will say, what is the function name? Round off. A round off function increments the preceding digit or decimal by 1 if greater than or equal to 5. Else do nothing. Slowly, I'll show the example. Round off 1.66 to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. That means this 1/6 need to increment. So I need to consider the third one. Third one is more than 5 or less than 5? More than 5. Definitely this will become what? Incremented or not? So I will take off. Same comment only I will carry. Go to this place and here you keep this comment here and then try to run it. So here I'm going to take up what? What is this now? 2 decimal. This is I want to 2 decimal places. I want to. Third one you consider. What is the third one? 6. 6 see my description. 6 greater than or equal to what? Increment the decimal by what? What is the decimal value here? 6 is incremented with 1 or not? Yes. Suppose same thing. See, mom, I'm taking. This is called what, 4, 4, 4, 4. What is that is? 3.16 only. 3.16. So here I will take up. Here I did not change it. Here also I need to change. Don't get tension, students. Here I'll change my number. Here I did not change. Comment I changed it, but I did not change. Are you following? Now you run it. Now you run it. Are you following? Earlier I comment only change, not original data. Are you following? Yes. So if you want, you can go for this last and final. Here I will write 5 students. 5. I am writing 5. Is it changed or not? Greater than or equal to increment that value. Done or not? A round function. Done. Online students. Go to next term. This is what is called which function? A round function. A round function. Following? If you want, you instead of that, you go for first thing only I want to round it. It is I will say what now? 1 I want to say. To what? 1 decimal. See what is the second one is considered 6. So that will become what? 3.2. 3.2. Okay now? Done. Go to the next. What is the next function? Come on. Floor. Read out please. The floor function round off decimal to the nearest lowest integer. Floor means down. Which down? Float down, integer down. That's why lowest nearest integer. Lowest nearest integer. So go to that. So I'm going to apply. This part I will take up. You see this. Done. What is this now? Floor I am applying. Floor I am applying. What is this now? -3. Nearest lowest -3. Nearest lowest -3. -4. -2 or -3? -4. -3 lowest. -4. -2 is the highest. And what is this now? 3. What it is going to be? What it is going to be? Floor 3.666. 3. Are you getting? Yes. Next, go to that. That is called floor. I hope you are getting it. Next, go to what? Seal. Seal. Come on, read out. Seal function rounds off decimal to nearest upper. Nearest upper. Now I am going to take up. I am going to take up. Seal function I am going to take up. Seal function. See this now. What it is going to be? So come on. What this is going to be? -3. So not going to this -3. What this is going to be? So why this is going to be -3? Because this is called what? 1. 1 means what? They same place. It is not going to be round off to next. So it is going to be -3 only. I think you are following. So what are the functions you got it here? Come on. Come on. Truncate off, comma what? Or what? Fix off, comma. A round off, comma. Floor off and a seal off. Seal off. I hope you got it. Previously, what you got it? Discrete difference. Previously, you got it what? Div mod remainder. That are the special functions or not? So keep in mind all of them. Are you comfortable? These are all called which functions? Universal functions, which we can do on every data analysis part, analytics part. So come to the point back. I'll move to the further. Students in online, I hope you are following me. I hope ensure that comfortable you are. Next, I'm going to introduce another one. Summations I'm going to introduce. Spell out summations. Finding the sum of the array elements. Finding the cumulative sum. It is also called summations. Are you following? Let us go for the summation. What is the difference between add and sum? That I am giving the difference. Add will give you what? Element wise addition. Sum will give you what? All the elements will be summed. That is called the difference. If you go to interview, what is the difference between add and sum? Don't tell both of them same. You say clearly both of them different, you say. You show this example directly. Interviewer also will shock. Difference are same? Different is there. Let us start. What is the difference between summation and what? Addition. Come on, read out. Addition is done between two arguments, whereas summation happens over n elements. Add the values array 1 with the values of array 2. So already you did in our arithmetic operations. At the same time, I am doing what also? Sum also I am doing. This is the way to show the difference between addition and summation. Let us go for this example. So students, online students, let us save it. Go to the new notebook. There I am trying to take up. So here I'll take this now. Examples on NumPy summation. NumPy summation. Now let us start. You see guys, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3. Output also I am giving it. Is it a addition or not? Add function. Same thing I am going to do the another case. Summation you see students. This is the data I am going to take up. This is the data I'm going to take up. So here you come. Now I'm going to paste it. What is this now? Sum of. What is happening? All the elements will be added. All the elements will be added. With access also, I will tell you with access. Access 0, access 1 now. You know, access 0, access 1. Yes. See that. What is the element now? 12. Addition and sum same or different? Different. You explain normally. You come to totally to high-end example you explain. So they will think that you know high-end as well as you will think when you know high-end, low-end is very simple. You have to give to the interviewer that you know more than what he is asking the question. Correct? Are you following the difference between add and sum? Yes. Now done. Now I will go for axis concept here. Now see students, summation over an axis. If you specify axis is equal to 1, the NumPy will sum the numbers in each array. Each array means what? Each subarray will be calculated. Come on now. This is called a sum of array 1 comma array 2. What is the sum? 6. What is this 6? Another 6. Is it not called axis wise sum? Yes. Come on to this point. I am going to take up this part here. So I'm going to take up this part. Go to this place. Here I'm writing this part and try to run it. Are you able to follow? Now I'm going to take up a small example. A is equal to np dot a range of what is this now? 10 comma 10 comma I will say here 3 into 3 into 3 dot what? Reshape of, come on, 3 comma 3 comma 3. Are you following? B is equal to np dot, what is this now? A range of tell me a range of what I'm going to take it. I will take it here, you know, like this. I will take 1 minute. A array of I'm taking like here I'm taking 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now I'm going to take it. So 1 minute I will take it 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma what I'm taking 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma what I'm taking 0 comma 0 comma 1 0 comma 1. Do this. This is called what I'm saying. Print A. Matrix A. Print of A. Print of what? Matrix B. Print of what? B. See students. Matrix A, matrix B. Now I am going to do. You know, C is equal to np dot what? Add of A comma B. Print of what? Matrix C. What is that now? Print of what? C. What is happening? Getting or not? What did you understand? What did you understand? Is it added or not? These elements are added to this place. Now I am going to take up, students, the same thing I am trying to do. So I am trying to do here. It is like that. Now I am going to say D is equal to, come on, NP dot sum of what? A comma B, and print of what? D, and see that what is happening. Something is coming. Only scalar arrays can be converted to what? Scalar index. There I need to write it. Come on. Axis is equal to what? 1. Axis is equal to 1. Here got multiple values for an argument called what? Axis. That means sum is going to give you. Here I will write it. Here I will write it. So got it. Done. Here I am passing into what? Single value I am passing is one matrix. What is this now? Come on, start with. What is this now? 9 says what? Come on, guys. 0, 3, 6. Next 1, 4, 7. 0, 3, 6 is called what? 9. Next what? 12. 2, 5, 8. 15. 1, 0, 0. What is that now? 1. 0, 1, 0. 1. 0, 0, 1. Like this. Are you following? Easy or difficult? Easy. So, coming to the point of it, now I am saying dot what? Dot what? Sum. I am writing sum of, I am writing. This I got it. NP dot sum of, comma. What is this now? Axis is equal to what? 1. Axis is equal to 1. So what I got it? 36, comma 3. What is the 36? 9, 12, 15, 36. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. What a beautiful subject. Now, I will go to, what is this now? I'll go to what? NP dot, sum of, axis is equal to what? 1. Axis is equal to 1. Done. What is the answer now? So, got it. Axis is out of. So, no need to write what? 1 minute, ma. This bracket, I'll close it. This bracket you take care first. This is done. Axis. This is called what? 0. Now you see that, got it. Axis is 0. That is called what? Row. Are you following this? That means I am bringing these total elements to what? Single element. Are you following? This is called what? Sum in sum with axis I mentioned it. Got it or not? So how to find the sum of all the elements? You need to apply like this. Got it? When I come to this place totally out of order. When I was here, you are happy. Okay. When I came here, you are little happy. When I came here, oh, mana valla kaadu idu. Out of my coverage area. I like this very much. Something typical undali eppudu kuda. We must be typical. Not easy to understand. We must be typical candidate. Are you typical or easy? Typical, huh? So typical means not the type of sounds like making different sounds at the end. Not that typical. Are you getting, students? Online students following this. This is called what? Come on. Now I'm going to, what is this operation? Sum of. Next go to where? Cumulative sum. What is the function name? Cum sum. Spell out. Spelling. Yes. See the function name? Yes. Do you know cumulative sum? What is the cumulative sum? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1 comma 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 remains same only. And this is so many times this question is directly asking in interviews. Write a Python program for finding the cumulative sum of my list of elements, I will directly use this function. Are you following? Let us take this example. Doing the cumulative sum, go to the place. See, 1 plus 2 plus 3 comma 4. 4. I'll say here 1, 2, 3, and next 6. What is that? 10. 10. See, students, the data is coming something like this. Are you following? Yes. So here I'll go for one small experiment. One small experiment I will go for it. N is equal to what? N is equal to what? 3. N is equal to 3. Just I'm giving. N is equal to 3. Got unexpected argument. Okay. So maybe it is not taking any argument or what. So it is going to be something like this. Are you following? Taking one thing. Axis 3 is out of. Okay. So it is not taking, I think so, this cumulative mechanism. Are you following now? Done. Getting or not? So like this you need to, of course, cumulative sum is nothing but what? Bringing the single element if you want. You can write one simple for loop, you can take it. One simple for loop, you can take it. Or you can go for simply what? Add also you can take. Add element also you can take it. Are you following? Difference only will have number of cumulative differences. Discrete differences only will come. Cumulative sum always. This will remain 1 only. This will remain 4. 4 will come. This will come 9. This will come what? 19. 4 remains 4 only. That's why n argument is not permitted. Able to follow, students? So coming to the point back. This is a scenario of what? You can apply the cumulative sum of what? 2D also. As I applied summation or not? As I applied summation or not? Like that you can apply the cumulative sum on what? ND array also you can apply. Getting? So what are the functions you got it here? Come on. Add function. Add function. Sum function. CUM. Spell out. CUM. Stands for what? Cumulation. This will do what? Array elements adding. Element wise accessing. This is called what? All elements accessing. Able to follow, students? Done. This is about examples on what? Summation. Similarly, for my satisfaction, you tell me what is this is called? Multiply. Multiply is called what? Element wise multiplication. Tell me, students, PROD. What is the PROD? Total element 1, 2, 3, 4. Product. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 like that. Suppose if I apply this place multiply 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. If I go for product 1 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 2 into 3. This is called what? PROD. Cumulative product. Cumulative product. If it is like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on now. 1 into, come on, next 1 into 2. 2. What is this now? 6. Next, come on, 24. This is called what product? Cumulative product. Easier? So go to the place. Here you see products. How simple. NumPy products. Now, to find the product of elements in array, we use which function? Prod function. Find the product of elements of this array. Example started here. Now, which is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Product. What is this? 1 into 3 into 4. Multiply I did not write. Already you understood. One more thing. This is called like this. I am going to say what? Product. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into etc. I gave the description also. Over an axis. Specify the axis 1. Will product of each array. Each array. 1 into 3 into 4 product. That is called 24. One more product is what? 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. What is the next term? Cumulative product also. 1 into 3 into 4. Cumulative product. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 2 is called 2. 1 into 2 into 3 is called 6. 1 into 3 into 4 is called something like this. So, coming to the point. Fan of caviar. So, Gaji busy Gandaragolam. Practice can only make you understand and more perfect. For me, Gaji busy Gandaragolam, for me, not there. Anybody did not practice, that is going to be more than that. If anybody practice perfectly, they will shine like a sun. They will shine like a sun. If you don't practice, it is a layman answers that is. Okay, Mr. Gaji busy Gandaragolam. So, okay. If KVRs are reply to me, I will start learning Python. So, always with you. Right. Yeah. Wow. Something like that. Right. So, if you don't practice, you will see stars because we are not teaching ABC language here. We are talking top language, NumPy that too. When I go to pandas, top level, highest level, total different. Come to the point. Here, without practicing, if we come, totally difficult. You ask me from morning 7 o'clock, evening up to 8 o'clock, I'll go on telling total functions from normal Python to advanced Python to database communication with a NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, morning to evening, continuously I will tell the functions. That is an expertism. Doctor, remember total tablets. The fees is 2000 rupees per patient. A doctor who did not remember any tablet name, fees is only 100 rupees. Shankar Dada MBBS is. Some style is required. Teaching C language, you learned C language. What you learned? While loop, flowchart, theory you learned. What is the use? Throw it out. What is the use? No use. So it is not Gajibiji Gandaragolam, it is a extraordinary. This is, if you did not prepare, it is more than that. So, my dear student, come to the point. Now I'll move to the further. So this is called what? Product. I'll take it. Look at. I will take out this another part of it. Here I am saying, because the day one I said what? Read and come to the class. Practice and come to the class. Punctuality in attending class. If you miss it one day and if you come, first of all, I have to say you are Gajibiji Gandaragolam. So be careful. So are you following this? What is this called? A product. So coming to the point. Right. Viresh, good boy. So by practicing daily, Python left hand, left finger. Obviously, without practicing that word, what he said, same. Come to the point of it. Here, see that. Whatever I'm saying, those things I already discussed with you. Discussed or not discussed? Discussed. Then where is the question of that? Done. Product of. What is this product of? Everything will be done. So here, all these things, multiplication done. With example, I'm showing like a small kids for you. Where is the question of that word? I will overreact on that word. If it is not suitable to my class, I will overreact on it. I'm a very sensitive faculty. So whatever it is, you have to practice and come. Correct? I will overreact on certain terms because I'm delicate. Now, come to the point. Are you following this? Done. Because I teach perfect subject. If you say that, I'll overreact on it because I'm perfect from my side. If you are not doing perfect, what I can do? Correct or not? Yes. If I give 1 lakh rupees for you, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, etc. If you feel Gajibiji Gandaragolam in keeping that value of 1000 rupees, 1 lakh, what can I do? You give me, I'll keep it very safely in my bag. Safely. That requires some style, some commitment. Right? So, so student, come to the point. Okay, fan of KVR, I'm understanding. Yes, sir, I'm telling only practice can make you perfect. Practice makes you perfect. Me already perfect. Again, wrong in that. That is also wrong. That is called Gajibiji Gandaragolam sentence. Come to the point back. So, no. I am just a Python faculty only. I am just a Python faculty only. So, now coming to the point. So, I am telling in general, sir. General also not applicable. because we are sitting in Python NumPy class. If you stand in general public, if you say general accepting, you are inside of KVR class. It's perfect. Everything perfect. So, Paulson, day by day becoming perfect, sir. Okay, good. Keep it up. Keep it. Product of what? No problem. So, fan of KVR, no problem. See, how many mistakes? First word. Next, practice makes you perfect. Second, wrong. And in general, third, syntax error. How many syntax errors? 3 syntax errors. Because in every moment, I expect perfection in you. Okay, now, student, don't worry. Now I'll move to the further. Axis wise, I'm going to talk. Perform this axis wise. Now I'm going to. So here, I'll go for axis wise. See, students, axis wise. 1, 2, 3, 4 is called this. And 5, 6, 7, 8, this one. Why I make it everything ready for you? Because that's why before entering into that, I made you to overall round, I make it. Are you following? What are the functions you learned here? Okay, one more I want to go for. What is the next? Cumulative product. What is the cumulative product? 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2. 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3, 4. That is called cumulative product. So CUMPROD. CUMPROD. This is my given data. This is the data. Are you following me? So I hope something is missing. Right. Done. Same. So done. Are you able to follow, students? So what are the functions you got it now? Come on. What are the functions you got it? PROD. PROD. Next is what? CUMPROD. Cum product. CUMPROD. Cumulative product. So these are the functions you learned it. So time is almost 10 o'clock 52 minutes. I'm just feeling that I just now came to the class. Are you feeling like that? Are you feeling that yesterday morning you came like? So now I'm going to say examples on NumPy product. Are you following? So next class when I come back, I'll go for some more things are there. Discrete differences, I got it. Sum operation, product, rounding decimals. Set operations, LCM, GCD, I'll tell you in the next class. Okay now? Fine. Thank you, students. All the best. Students in the online. Anusha.
Hello, sir.
Anusha, tell me, ma.
సార్ మీరు కొన్నిటి దగ్గర యాక్సెస్ 0 రో అంటున్నారు, యాక్సెస్ 0 కాలం అంటున్నారు. అది డిఫరెన్స్ తెలుస్తలేదు.
Already explained చేస్తున్నాం కదమ్మా. Already we
ఒకసారి
explained that
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా?
axis 0 says in arithmetic operations represents columns. In arithmetic operations, matrix operations, axis 0 represents columns. Axis 1 represents rows in arithmetic operations. In other places, that is the reverse.
ఓకే
Okay, ma?
సరే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Right. Pawan Kalyan.
సార్ గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ సార్.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ మా.
సార్ ఇవాళ క్లాస్ నాకు డౌట్ ఏం లేదు, అంతా క్లియర్ గా ఉంది సార్.
టెల్ మీ.
సార్ అది నేను యాక్చువల్ గా పైథాన్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ బ్యాచ్ సార్.
ఓకే
మా అమ్మమ్మ చనిపోవడం వల్ల ఒక వారం క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వలేదు సార్.
ఓకే మా.
నా క్లాస్ ఏం అక్కలేదు సార్. అంటే నిన్న లాస్ట్ లో జాయిన్ అయితే క్లాస్ వాళ్ళతో అయిపోయింది అన్నారు. పైథాన్ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిందా సార్?
అయిపోయింది కదా మా, నిన్ననే అయిపోయింది కదా.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ అయితే ఇప్పుడు సైమల్టేనియస్ గా డీజంగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్ ఇప్పుడు లేవన్నా మీరు?
చూద్దాం.
సో అది ఒకవేళ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే కనుక దీంట్లో చెప్పండి సార్. పైథాన్ క్లాస్ లేదు కాబట్టి NumPy క్లాస్ లో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తానని చెప్పండి సార్.
చూద్దాం నేను చెప్తాను, మీకు అప్డేట్ ఇస్తాను దాన్ని.
ఓకే సార్, అదొకటి మాత్రం చెప్పండి సార్. క్లాస్ అంతా థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయినందుకు.
ఓకే అమ్మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Any more students having the doubt? Priyadarshini.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma.
Sir, actually, I have doubt on previous class. There is two arithmetic functions, dot and matmul. Sir, I'm having doubt how it is giving result.
Dot and matmul, both of them are same, which will do the matrix multiplication. Both of them are same. There is no difference at all. Like today trunk, trunc, and then fix. Okay, no?
Yeah, just how it is doing matrix multiplication, like just one example, could you please show me?
See ma, this was already explained in the class, how to do matrix multiplication in the class. Already explained how to do for every row of the first matrix multiplied with every column of the second matrix. Every row of the first matrix multiplied with every column of the second matrix.
Okay, sir. I'll see that example on my
Okay,
notes.
right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Next, Lakshman Kumar.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, fine, Lakshman. Tell me.
I miss you last classes, sir. But
yesterday you missed, huh? Yesterday's class you missed, huh?
No, sir. Last 5 classes, sir.
11 o'clock, huh?
11 o'clock, sir.
Yeah, yesterday only that batch was completed.
Yesterday. Miss you, sir.
Notes అదండి ఒకసారి.
ఓకే సార్. అంటే మన అడ్మిన్ కూడా అడిగాను సార్, నాకు కావాలని చెప్పి రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాను. ఓకే అన్నారు. అంటే లాస్ట్ 11 o'clock క్లాస్ మిస్ అయ్యాను.
అదే
సర్జరీ అయ్యింది సార్, నిన్ననే డిశ్చార్జ్ అయ్యాను.
ఓకే బాగానే ఉందా ఇప్పుడు?
ప్రెసెంట్ ఓకే సార్, అంటే బెడ్ రెస్ట్ లో ఉన్నాను సార్.
ఓకే టేక్ కేర్. ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి మీకు?
అంటే బోన్ మ్యారో సార్.
ఓకే
అటాక్ అయ్యింది. టోటల్ హిప్ రీప్లేస్మెంట్ చేశారు.
ఓకే.
2 legs కూడాను. అంటే 1 leg మళ్ళీ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది సార్.
ఓకే.
సో మళ్ళా రీసర్జరీ చేశారు సార్.
ఓకే టేక్ కేర్.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే.
ఎనీ డౌట్, ఏదైనా డౌట్ వస్తే పైథాన్
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
మేము కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వడానికి ఏదైనా ఉందా సార్ మాకు?
నో ప్రాబ్లం. యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ మీ ద డౌట్స్. ఓకే.
అంటే ఫర్దర్ గా అంటే ఇది అయిపోయింది, ఇందులో కాకుండా మామూలుగా అడగడానికి ఏదైనా కాల్ కానీ ఏదైనా చేయొచ్చా సార్?
నేను మీకు నా నంబర్ ఇచ్చాను కదా మీకు?
ఇవ్వలేదు సార్ నాకు.
సో నేను రేపు ఇస్తానులేండి, సరేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్.
ఓకే. రేష్మా.
Morning, sir.
Morning, ma.
Sir, will we include NumPy for projects? NumPy Panda Matplotlib?
Actually, NumPy Pandas is used in the project development of data science.
Okay, sir.
So there, if you use it, that will be more meaning will be there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma?
Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any more doubts, students? Okay, students, take care. Now I will upload the notes. You take care and don't miss the further sessions. Tomorrow, very, very important. Don't miss it. Thank you. All the best.